Do you have like a horror sex story? Like the worst experience or something like that?
I have so many.
Wow. That's the problem with exploring that you have.
Yes, it's not with like exploring. It's mostly just trying to date and trying to get to know some people. And yes, I'm trying to think about story that I haven't told in my social media.
Okay.
Because a lot of it is.
But you know, if you tell it to me, it's the first time, so I also want to know.
Yeah, well, okay, let's then with the most popular one, because it was mostly like a one-night stand that I knew it won't go like farther, and we were mostly like chatting about it. We met in the gym, so we were like friendly at the beginning, but then the guy was interested in like, maybe you want to spend time at my place, and I was like, I don't know, maybe, I don't know what's the mood. Yes, so we were like chatting about it, and I was like, I'm not sure, would I be interested? Maybe I would go there and then see how the night goes. But he was so like determined to like have something more, so he was like, I always put the girl's needs first, and it's really important to me that she has the best like experience, and he's a giver, not a taker, and everything like that. And
what is he gonna say?
And I was like, haha, okay, we will see, yeah, maybe, okay. And I went to his house, and first of all, he doesn't like sit next to me. He doesn't like make some kind of physical connection. I thought like, I don't know what I'm doing here. Like, we were just watching movies, like one movie, another movie, like a next movie, and I was like thinking, oh my God, will we really need to go to the bed so everything would start? Because that's I think the lamest thing that you can do, because I don't know, he was like writing so many like spicy things, and I was like, oh my God, he will like swoop me off my feet, sure. So yeah, at the end.
So you think bed sex is lame? That's what you're saying?
No, I don't think that, but I think it's more interesting, and also with like one night stands, I think it's more about not when we go to sleep, everything starts.
Makes sense.
Like, I think it's more like in relationships, it's okay, it's understood. But in one night stands or friends with benefits, some type of thing, I think you need to like start it before the bed.
Yeah, in the elevator.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Why not?
Just kissing is also good, but there was nothing.
Okay.
I was thinking that we will just go to bed and I will wake up and go home and nothing will happen. Oh my God, it was so awful. It was so awful, because he was like a horny being that I could not like chill, like just chill. You just need to chill. When we laid, he was like all in. He couldn't get his hands off. He was like all the stuff, and it wasn't like interesting or pleasant. It was really like just really confusing what he was doing.
Okay.
and yeah.
Poor guy.
All night I couldn't get any sleep, because I needed to say every time like chill, just sleep, and he wouldn't like listen. He was like waking up, doing stuff, sleeping again, waking up, doing stuff, and I was like, oh, okay, this is the worst night. In the morning I was like, okay, just let's do it, like, please, you were like telling me so many things you would do, like, okay, let's try it. Oh my God, it was the fastest ending of my life, and also I didn't get any pleasure of it. I'm the girl who can like come really fast and really easy, so it's not like a big deal for me. But when guy cannot like get anything out of me, it's really shocking to me. And after he finished so fast, he wasn't interested in like doing the stuff for me, so I could get in some pleasure as well. So it's like, oh, okay, so all the things you wrote me was just a big lie. And it's true, actually. A lot of guys are big talkers but not doers.
Well,
and
words
also in
are for-
also in sexting, a lot of guys are so like artsy and really like so good fantasy, but when it's in real life, they cannot even get a kiss right. I was teaching him in the process how to kiss me because it was so bad. I was like, what are you doing with your lips? What are you doing with your tongue? Like, what are you doing? Like, what is this? It was so awful. I was like, I felt like I gave more than I
bad investment.
took to me.
Bad investment.
Very bad, very bad. Yeah. And after that, I was like, nope, never. I would never go to one night stands, no matter how much I myself wanted.
Oh wait, why do all guys have to pay for one terrible guy?
Because
listen,
this was traumatic.
Wait, your lack of judgment, your
No.
choosing the wrong
He was
guy.
really like putting those curtains like everything is so amazing.
But
It will
words
be
are
so
for free.
good.
Words are for free, and maybe
Yeah.
the pre-workout kicked in. I don't know. Maybe he had a bad day. I don't know. But why we all have to pay after that guy?
Yeah.
No, I
okay,
get you. I get you.
Okay, but yeah.
It was bad. Okay,
It was really bad. It was really bad.
Well, it is true that it tends to happen that the people that talk a lot, because talking it takes nothing.
Yeah, true.
But doing is a different
But it's
ballgame.
really bad look for them because they're like liars. They're big liars, and it's really sad because a lot of girls go into that thinking that they would get the best and they get like the worst experience.
Yep.
So I think I'm not the only one. A lot of girls have dealt with this, and also, I have so many more like stories.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, but that one.
That was the worst. That was actually the worst. Yes.
Was he like the typical gym dude?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The typical
I was picturing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I remember one story, but I don't want to tell it because it's not my story, and so I don't want anybody. Like, well, I heard a story here about a girl that was with a guy, and was like one of these type of gym buffs, and the guy apparently was looking at himself in the mirror while they were having sex, and I found that very odd. Especially because the girl is very pretty, so I'm like, why the fuck is he looking at himself?
Maybe he wasn't looking at himself, but at the whole process itself, because I myself am a really big fan of mirrors in the bedroom or anywhere else where you're having sex, because it's like having sex and watching porno. It's it's like double stimulation.
Okay.
So I really love that, and that's I think also the reason why I love like threesomes and those types of things, because I can watch and get like that feeling of my personal video.